The seventh plane is the plane of God the Father, the throne of God the Father, wherein you cannot tolerate here because the glory of God is found here. It is so bright. It is very holy. A special place wherein those who are not capable to enter to this place will be died or will be annihilated. It's because the light of God the Father is not easy. Natingnan mo ang kanyang himaya, dire-diretso, sa sobrang liwanag ng katawan ng Diyos, sa sobrang liwanag ng kanyang trono, hindi tayo makatolerate sa patingin. That is the seventh heaven plane, the throne of God the Father.